Hey, I'm Kathleen Dorn, and today I'd like to introduce you to two of my favorite beverages that can help you get over your addiction or craving for coffee and pop. Now, these beverages will help you stay hydrated so your body can eliminate waste efficiently. Your body uses water in many ways, and one of them is to flush toxins. Now, the problem with drinking a lot of coffee and or pop is that they deplete your body of minerals and dehydrate you. So in order to flush out wastes and toxins, your body needs to be well hydrated with water. Think of a toilet, for example. It wouldn't work if you reduce the water supply. And in the same way, you need lots of water to cleanse properly. You can nourish with many good supplements, but if you are not flushing waste out on a daily basis, you will become plugged up and toxic, and that's not pretty. Now, these teas are excellent at helping you keep your detox pathways open. Some of you would have quit your coffee or pop habit a long time ago, but you've not found a healthy alternative that's satisfying. When you stop drinking coffee or pop, you want to find something delicious to replace them. There's a reason why you crave them. Some of you are addicted to the caffeine or the sugar in these beverages. And when people start drinking these healthy beverages, their normal cravings for coffee and pop disappear and the changeover becomes effortless. That's what happened to my friend Charlene. She used to drink a liter of pop every day and more on weekends. That's crazy, I know. And she tried many times to quit this habit because she knew it wasn't good for her. But whenever she tried to quit, she would get headaches. Amazingly, when she switched to these teas, she was able to quit pop without any withdrawal symptoms or headaches. And she lost 30 pounds as a bonus without even trying. And when my friend Rose started drinking these teas, she stopped drinking her cup of coffee in the mornings and said that she couldn't stand coffee anymore. My friend Jean started drinking these teas and she said that she dropped 10 pounds without even trying because the teas stopped her cravings for carbs. Now, the replacement beverages I recommend are called Calli and Fortune Delight teas made by Sunrider. They come in many different flavors. You drink them sweetened with stevia and they are very satisfying and delicious. You can drink them hot or cold. They're loaded with antioxidants and trace minerals that nourish and energize instead of dehydrating and depleting your body. Some of you are addicted to the sugar in the coffee or pop, and I'd like to suggest that you try my favorite sweetener called Sunectar or Sunnydew. It's made of an herb called stevia, and it tastes 300 times sweeter than sugar with 0 calories, and it takes care of those sugar cravings in a healthy manner. Some of you need the caffeine in pop or coffee to stimulate you, but a beverage that hydrates, nourishes, and cleanses will improve bodily function, including brain function and clarity of thinking. Now, these teas are an essential part of my Mercury Detox program, which I teach on my website. So if you are looking for a healthy replacement for your daily pop or coffee fix, why not give Calli and Fortune Delight a try? They are simply the best. If you enjoyed this presentation, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to ask questions in the comments section and I will respond. There are links to the description if you are interested in my website or products. This is Kathleen Dorn, encouraging you to take responsibility for your health and live your best life.